everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this quick and easy mug cozy. It's a perfect gift idea. You can even sell these and it is a fun project to make. For this project I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn. It is 100% acrylic. You can use cotton yarn if you want to. You're also going to need your 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. For row 1, we're going to start by working a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So here's 1 and 2. Into this chain right here, work 1 single crochet. And now work 1 single crochet into remaining of the chains. Continue working like this and I'll meet you at the end of the row. You should have 12 single crochets. At the end of row 1, you should have 12 single crochets. For row 2 and the rest of the rows, we're just going to chain 1, turn the work, and now work 1 single crochet back into this first stitch right here using back loops only. Now again, we're going to pick up the next loop, back loop, and work single crochet. And repeat like that. Pick up the next back loop of the stitch and work a single crochet. Continue working like this and I'll meet you at the end of row 2. Remember, you're working your single crochets using back loops only. At the end of row 2, this is how it looks like. For row 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work and repeat row 2. We're just going to be working single crochets into each stitch using back loops only. So here's my first stitch. Pick up the back loop and work 1 single crochet. And work 1 single crochet into the remaining of the stitches using back loops. Continue working like this and I'll meet you at the end of row 3. At the end of row 3, you should have 12 single crochets worked into back loops only. Now for rows 4 all the way to row 31, we're just going to repeat row 2. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet into the first stitch using back loop only, and then work a single crochet into the remaining of the stitches using back loops only. Continue working like this and I'll meet you at the end of row 31 to show you what to do next. I finished working a total of 31 rows and it is stretchy. Now let's continue. We're going to chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now, using this side right here, right over here, we're going to turn it. It'll be easier for us to work our single crochets all across here. And without twisting this chain, we're going to work first single crochet using this row right over here. Anywhere in that space, you're going to work your single crochet. This is how it looks like. And now we need to work 1 single crochet across to this space right here. So we are working on the side and adding our single crochets. So try your best to find the post of the single crochets and work your single crochet using the space. I'm going to continue and work my single crochets across and I'll meet you once I have my single crochets all done. Here I worked my single crochets all across the side right here and I have 1 stitch left, so I'm just going to go ahead and work my last single crochet into that stitch. And now we need to chain 14 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And we're going to repeat the same thing to this side. Make sure this chain is not twisted using the first single crochet right over here. Go ahead and work a single crochet using that space. I am going to be working this yarn tail in, so I'm just going to hold on to it as I work my single crochets all across this side now. So pick up the posts of each single crochet of each row and work your single crochets all along this side. And that's what I'll do, is just continue work my single crochets all across the side, and I'll meet back with you once I'm right over here, and we'll end this row together. Here I finished working my single crochets all along the side. And to end, what we're going to do is right over here where we started working on our chains, right here, we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that space. And let's go ahead and fasten off, cut your yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it. And we just have this one yarn tail to work on, and I'll show you how to do that. To work on this yarn tail, I'm just going to use this single crochets right over here and bring my yarn tail towards the inside of the work. And now I'm actually going to turn it so you can see better. Using these single crochets right along the side, I'm just going to pick up the back loops of about 5 single crochets and pull through. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drop this one loop right here and come right back where I started, picking up as many stitches as I can, back loops only, pull through, and one more time I'm going to drop one loop and bring my needle back up. And this time I only picked up about 4 loops, pull through, and now you can cut your yarn tail. And you are finished. And here's our finished mug cozy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.